Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious and traditional recipe which you can prepare using raw banana. This can be had as a dry side dish along with rice, and it can also be called as Kele Upkari. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients that we require would be 2 medium size raw banana, half cup of freshly grated coconut, 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, half teaspoon of mustard seed, half teaspoon of cumin seed, salt as per taste, 1/4 to half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and finally 1.5 tablespoon of whole black pepper powder. Firstly, to begin with, wash the raw banana well and later chop the top and bottom portion of it. Further, peel the outer skin as shown in the video and chop this into medium sized pieces. Repeat this for both the raw banana, and once done, set this aside. Next, take a thick bottom kadai, and once the kadai is hot enough, into that pour 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and once the oil is hot enough, transfer the mustard seed and cumin seed into it and prepare the tempering. Once the tempering is prepared, into that kadai, transfer the previously chopped raw banana, half cup of water, salt, turmeric powder, whole black pepper powder, and give everything a good mix. Once the mixture begins to boil, simmer this and cover and cook for another 10 to 15 minutes or until the raw banana is well cooked. Keep stirring this occasionally to make sure it's uniformly cooked. Once your raw banana is well cooked, switch off the flame immediately and into this transfer the freshly grated coconut. Now give everything a good mix and your delicious raw banana recipe is ready. This can be had as a dry side dish along with rice, so do try this recipe, and if you like this video, do not forget to share it along with your friends and give it a thumbs up. For more traditional recipes, do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.